Well, the trade of the day within the gaming sector, which one have you decided on?
Okay, so I mean, we've had slightly different opinions there. Chris has been much more positive about the sector than I have, but of the ones we've talked about this evening, the one I think we both liked, we were both hot on, was HCI. So just to recap, this is a sizable investment holding group with stakes in ETV and the news associated media platforms of that, and then a big chunk of 36% odd in Tsogo, which is South Africa's largest gaming and hotel owning and operating group. So it's got those two legs. It's got dynamic and attracted management, Marcel Golding and Johnny Copeland, that are very smart, very clever, have used the banking facilities and all that to their effect. They've got Sir Dell and a bunch of other funny things in the portfolio, but they've got a real talent for unlocking value. So the idea was they've got good, strong cash flows from these businesses, and maybe there's something that they could do with regard to future unbundling and reorganization of those assets. Have I missed anything there, Chris?
Don't think so. I think the fact that it is trading at a bit of a discount to what it otherwise might be if they unbundled a few of these things.
And they've been making progress in coal assets lately, which I didn't really see coming. I knew they were looking at it a couple of years ago, and they seem to have got some sizable or well worthwhile sort of assets going down there.
So how long are we going to be keeping this one for?
Well, look, this is one of those trades where I think what you're doing is you're saying there could be a bit of more value unlock in time to come. So, for example, they could do a deal with SAB Miller, where they either buy or sell the stake in Tsogo, and then they might want to bring ETV to the market and have it compete and seen as valuation-wise similar to Naspers and all of that fun stuff that's going on out there. So if that's the case, that could take a while, though, to unpack and sort of bundle. So I would say it's probably a fairly small portfolio position that we might keep in there as a sort of a sleeper and see how it goes, and maybe just revisit it when we revisit the sector on the show.